The FixcamX dashcam promises advanced features for modern vehicles. Today we're examining this system specifically for the 2022 Toyota RAV4 XSE, starting with what comes in the box. The FixcamX package includes the main camera unit, mounting hardware, power cables, and installation accessories. The build quality appears solid with a compact design suitable for discrete installation. The FixcamX records in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, providing crisp detail for incident documentation. It features a 150-degree wide viewing angle and supports up to 256 gigabytes of storage via micro SD card. Key features include loop recording that automatically overwrites old footage, parking mode for 24/7 monitoring, and collision detection with G-sensor technology. The system also offers cloud connectivity for remote access to recordings. The FixcamX integrates well with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 systems. It can be positioned to avoid interference with existing safety cameras while complementing the vehicle's built-in safety features. At its price point, the FixcamX offers competitive value with 4K recording, comprehensive features, and Toyota compatibility. It positions itself as a premium option that balances advanced functionality with reliable performance for RAV4 owners. Installing the FixcamX dashcam in the 2022 Toyota RAV4 XSE requires careful planning and attention to detail. The process involves mounting both front and rear cameras while ensuring proper integration with the vehicle's existing systems. Before beginning installation, gather the necessary tools: a trim removal kit, wire strippers, electrical tape, and a multimeter for testing connections. The installation typically takes 2 to 3 hours for both front and rear cameras. The front camera mounts behind the rear view mirror, requiring removal of the headliner trim. The rear camera installs on the back window with a clean view. Wiring runs through the vehicle's A-pillar and along the roofliner to maintain a factory appearance. The FixcamX integrates seamlessly with the RAV4's electrical system, drawing power from the accessory circuit. It does not interfere with the factory infotainment system, but operates independently with its own mobile app interface. Performance testing reveals excellent 4K video quality during daylight conditions with sharp detail and accurate colors. Night performance is good with adequate visibility, though some noise is present in very low light. Rain conditions show clear footage with minimal water spot interference. Critical for RAV4 owners, the FixcamX installation does not interfere with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 features. All collision avoidance, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control functions remain fully operational after installation. The mobile app interface is intuitive with easy access to live view, recorded footage, and settings. Initial reliability testing shows stable operation with no system crashes or recording failures over the first month of use. Installation may affect Toyota's warranty coverage for electrical components if not performed correctly. Professional installation is recommended to maintain warranty protection. The FixcamX itself comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Overall recommendation for RAV4 XSE owners: the FixcamX offers excellent value with professional-grade video quality and reliable performance. The installation requires patience but results in a clean, factory-like appearance. Consider professional installation to preserve warranty coverage.